Okay, I'm back and the timer just went. Hey, that's weird. Oh. Okay, there. Now it just went off. But I had the timer on my phone also. So it would have still gone off. Anyways. And that's what the pie looks like. How do you guys like my pie? The pie's so beautiful. Yeah, I got a little burnt on the sides, but it don't matter. Oh, it's gonna be good. Look at that. Look at that beautiful pie. It's so beautiful. Let me go down. Let me know down in the comments. Whoa. Okay. Let me know down in the comments if you would eat this or not. Does it look good? Does it look bad? Would you taste? Would it be delicious or not? So now I gotta go put it in the fridge. So for Thanksgiving tomorrow morning. And that concludes the pie making. Goodbye, people.